Looking for the best moving company in Poway? Whether you're moving across town or across the country, Three Movers is here to make your move smooth, stress-free, and affordable. From residential to commercial moves, we offer affordable, top-notch services that cover every step of your relocation. Need help with packing? We've got you covered. Need assistance unloading? Our team is ready to help. Planning a long-distance move? No problem. We specialize in both short and long-distance relocations across California and beyond. Three Movers will help you every step of the way. We offer packing and unpacking. Let us handle your packing so you can focus on settling in. Transparent pricing. No surprises. We provide upfront quotes with clear, affordable pricing. Licensed and insured. We ensure that your belongings are safe throughout the journey. Moving across Poway, we've got you covered there too. Local moves are our specialty. Why waste your whole weekend? With Three Movers, we can get your local move done in just a few hours. We'll do all the heavy lifting so you don't have to. From basic moves to full-service relocations, we tailor our services to your needs. Need more than just moving? No worries. Three Movers offers a wide range of services to make your experience easier. We provide specialized boxes and crating for your fragile or bulky items. Looking for temporary storage? We've got secure, accessible storage options for you. In a rush? Our same-day moving services are perfect for last-minute relocations. Let us handle the transportation of your vehicle while you focus on settling in. Whatever your moving needs, Three Movers has a solution that fits. Ready to make your move stress-free and affordable? Contact Three Movers today for all your Poway moving needs.